So we're first going to start off with a forward fold with feet together, and we're going to aim to hold this for 30 seconds. Nice. So next we're going to do the same forward fold again, but now we're going to go into a wide V stance, and we're going to hold that for at least 30 seconds. Now we are going into a straddle stretch, and we're going to hold that one for at least 30 seconds. And now we're going to do the same thing again and see whether we can get into a wider straddle stretch and hold that one for 30 seconds. Now we are going to do cossack squats. So we're going to hold each side for at least 30 seconds. So we're going to bend to one side. And now we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. And we're going to do it again. So on one side, we're going to hold for 30 seconds. And then on the other side, we're going to hold for 30 seconds. Now we're going to do the butterfly stretch, and we're going to aim to hold this one for at least 45 seconds. And last of all, we are going to do the wall straddle stretch, where we are going to aim to hold this for at least 45 seconds. So grab a wall and just slide your legs down the wall. This is a good stretch for middle splits as well. And that is it for the stretching routine. I hope you guys found it helpful and let me know what you think. Other than that, I hope you guys have a lovely rest of your day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!